Hi everybody. How y'all doing? Wherever you are watching this from, I hope you are warm and safe and happy. It's very rare for me to do this, but you can tell I'm in bed. Scotland is under another one of those wind warnings. And if you're a friend of mine who has been here visiting me when the wind hits, or if you're a Scottish native, then you'll understand what the wind warning means. And that's why I'm in bed. It's cold. I went out twice today, running wee errands, and the wind was wicked. So it's barely 8 p.m. here, but I got into bed because the wind affects me. I have neuralgia, and the wind triggers my neuralgia. Plus, since I've gotten older, when it's really cold and it's high winds, my arthritis gets really bad. And today, this is the worst I can remember my arthritis ever being. I've been, in pain today, and I've avoided taking my pain pills because they just make me all stupid and groggy, and they disrupt my regular sleep patterns. So I've avoided taking them. Although having said that, I did have 4 glasses of wine, and that helped. The pain hasn't gone away, but it's changed my reaction to it. So I am in bed and I have my electric blanket on, and it's kind of smelly because I put Voltarol on my hands and knuckles and stuff, and I'm waiting on that to kick in, and that's it. The girl is in bed, and that's it. So I hope you guys, wherever you are, my viewers, people who have just stumbled onto this channel, my regular subscribers, I hope you're all warm and safe and happy. Thanks as always for tuning in, and I'll see you the next time around. Love you guys. Thanks for watching.